everyone, welcome to Make Draft and Strength. So this is our 8th problem on orthographic projection. So all the problem in this orthographic projection series are exam oriented, explain in short, simple and very easy to understand manner. So let's get started with this problem. So in this problem we have to draw the front view and the top view. Only here I can explain the front and the top view. So for the front view, looking in the direction X, so the total length is equal to 36 plus 64 plus 54, that is equal to 154, and the height is equal to 100, it's 82 plus 18, and the width is equal to 72. So let's start our actual construction. Here the initial part of the front view wasn't recorded by mistake, but don't worry, you can easily complete this portion by referring the given object. So just draw the baseline and the semicircular portion as shown in object, and after that continue with the remaining construction step by step. So here the front view, for the front view the length and the height is required. So total length is equal to 154 and the height is equal to 100. So draw one rough box and complete that portion, semicircular portion and the baseline. Then next move towards the cylindrical part. At the upper section there is a cylindrical part that the dia is 36 and the inner hole it is 18. So in compass, take radius is equal to 18 and draw a circle 36, and the inner circle, that the hollow portion, its dia is 18. So here for the front view, when we look from the X direction, so these two circles we can see easily. Then next move towards the rib. There is one inclined rib and the thickness is 10, but from the front it looks like a straight line. So at the both side of the center line, take 5 and complete the rib. Then next there are again two ribs, inclined support is there for the cylindrical part. So draw these two inclined lines which are tangent to the semicircular part. Look at the front rib, it's not inclined from the start, it's first straight and then inclined. So the dimensions are 28 mm downward from the center point. So mark that and draw horizontal line. Then next the hidden portion. So at the base there is a rectangular slot, so mark 10 mm hidden line. Then next there are the two holes at the base, so mark 18 mm from the center line, and the dia of the hole is 12 mm, so 6 mm at the both side of the center line. Next there is one small hole, oil hole is there at the top of the cylindrical portion. The dia of that cylindrical dia of that hole it is 3, so mark 1.5 mm at the both side of the center line and show that hole. So here our front view is get complete. So whatever the required dimensions are there, show it. If you haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe to my channel Make Draft and Strength. I am covering the complete engineering graphics syllabus with exam oriented problem, and all problems are explained in very simplest way. So please subscribe to the channel. So for drawing, always focus on accuracy and neatness. So as you practice more and more, your accuracy will improve, and with that your speed will automatically get increased. So remember, accuracy comes first and speed follows with practice. So please practice more and more problems. So next move towards the top view. So for the top view, the width and the length is required. So here the width is equal to 72 and the length is equal to 154. So draw one rough box and start your top view. So here in the top view there is one cylinder. It looks like a rectangular box. Okay, so at first at the corner there is a radius is 5 mm. So draw that radius and complete the outer box of the top view. Okay, so here I draw first rectangular slot. At the base there is one rectangular slot. It's 20 by 10. So from the top view you can easily see the rectangle. It's open rectangle actually. So take projections from the front view and at the center point mark 10 mm at the both side and complete that rectangular slot. Next move towards the cylindrical portion. So its length is equal to 36. So at the center point it's 18 at the both side. Okay, so mark 18 mm at the both side and draw that rectangular box, because whenever we see from the top view the circular portions are converted into or the curved portions are converted into the straight lines. So it's a cylindrical portion. Take projections from the front view and complete it. Next move towards the rib. So there are actually 4 ribs, 2 at the front and the back and 2 are at the both side. That both ribs are inclined, but whenever we see from the top view, so it looks like a flat rectangular strip. So show that ribs, the thickness of all the ribs are 10 mm. So draw that 10 mm rib. It's inclined from the front, but we are drawing the top view, so it's converted into the horizontal lines. So here I draw the semicircular portion. There are the 2 end corners lines are visible from the top and the center line I draw. Next there are the 2 holes at the base. So draw that holes. The dia of the holes are 12 mm. So take dimensions and draw the circles. Because the circle comes inside the cylindrical portion, so some part is invisible, so show it with a hidden line and other is continuous. Next there is a hidden lines because the inner semicircular part is not seen from the front, from the top view, so it show it with a hidden line. And there is another step which is not visible from the top, so show it with a hidden line. So almost all portion is get complete, and there is one hollow section at the cylindrical portion, so show it with a dotted line. In the figure, please observe neatly that the 4 ribs are connected to each other at the lower side of the cylindrical portion. So whenever we draw the top view, this all 4 ribs which are connected to each other at the lower side of the cylinder that are not visible, so show all the ribs which are connected to each other with the hidden lines and complete the diagram. And one last portion is remaining. It's a oil hole which is visible from the top view, So show that small hole which is 3 mm dia and complete the diagram with the dimensions. So here our front view and the top view is get complete. If you like this kind of content related to engineering subject, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.